My dear students of class 12, good morning to you. I think that all of you will be completely okay and busy with your study continuously. Today I will tell you how to change positive sentences into negative sentences. Transformation chapter belongs to this category. I have already taught these sentences to you in the beginning of the session. Once again, I am telling you about such type sentences which are beginning brass as soon as plus subject, verb either in first form, either in SES form or in second form plus subject. In other words, with using a comma and subject and full sentence. Now see, when as soon as is given in the beginning of the sentence, you have to change it in no sooner. See the verb in which tense belongs. If it is in the present definite tense, you have to use HV, helping verb do or done. If the verb is given in the second form belonging to the category of the past indefinite tense, you have to use helping verb did. And verb will be in the first form from all these forms. Subject will be stable from its place. Comma will be removed and the conjunction then will be used in the place of comma. Next sentence will be written the same way, there will be no change. I think you have understood this process very clearly. Now see the example number 1. As soon as he comes, comma, we become happy. As soon as will change no sooner. Verb is given in singular form, present indefinite tense, so the helping verb will be used done. Subject he, same in the form. Comes will come in first form, come. Conjunction then will be used at the place of comma. And the next sentence remains same, there is no change, we become happy. Now see the example number 2. As soon as she came. Now the verb is given in the second part. Past indefinite tense is being shown here. Comma, we greeted her. Then as soon as, no sooner. HV will be used did because the verb came is given in the past indefinite tense. So the HV of the past indefinite tense is did. Subject C remain at the place. Came became changed into come. Comma removed and then will be used as conjunction. The given sentence will not change, it will remain same. So the full sentence will be written, no sooner did she come than we greeted her. Last and 3 sentence number 3, example number 3, that has been written as soon as I saw a lion, comma I ran away. Verb has been given in second form, see, saw, seen. You have to use did as helping verb. So no sooner did I see, saw became see in the first part, a lion, comma removed and it became then I ran away. So all these 3 sentences clear the process of how to change those sentences which are beginning with the as soon as and a comma has been used for giving the second sentence to aid from the first sentence. First type sentence is called complex sentence, and when you change it, it remains complex sentence without change of meaning. So it is called a transformation. Transformation is a process in which you have to change only structure of the sentence but not the meaning of sentence. Meaning remains same but the negative word will be used in positive sentence. So these 3 examples have been given to you. You must understand these sentences completely. I will send you homework or classwork tomorrow and you have to complete that work. Okay, thanks. Best of luck.